The North Sea is a shallow sea in the Atlantic Ocean. It is located off the coast of northwest Europe. The North Sea is bordered by the United Kingdom to the west. Norway and Denmark border it to the east. To the south it is connected to the Atlantic Ocean by the English Channel and the Strait of Dover. The North Sea is an important marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean. It plays a crucial role in connecting various countries and influencing weather patterns. The North Sea is a vital body of water. It has played a significant role in shaping the history, economy, and culture of the countries that surround it. From ancient maritime trade routes to its contemporary importance in oil and gas production, the North Sea remains a focal point of human activity. Understanding its geographical location is essential for comprehending its broader significance. The North Sea's strategic position has made it a crossroads of maritime traffic for centuries. Its connection to the Atlantic Ocean through the English Channel and the Strait of Dover has facilitated trade and cultural exchange. The North Sea has served as a gateway for exploration, connecting the British Isles to mainland Europe. The North Sea covers an area of approximately 570,000 square kilometers, or 220,000 square miles. Its average depth is relatively shallow, at about 95 meters or 312 feet. However, the depth varies considerably. The Norwegian Trench, a deep depression, reaches depths of over 700 meters or 2,300 feet. The shallow depths in other areas make the North Sea susceptible to the influence of tides and winds. The North Sea is known for its generally rough and stormy conditions. Strong winds, particularly from the west, are common, especially during the winter months. These winds can generate large waves, making navigation challenging. The shallow depths in many parts of the North Sea contribute to the formation of choppy seas. The salinity of the North Sea's water is slightly lower than that of the open ocean. This is due to the influx of fresh water from rivers such as the Rhine, Thames, and Elbe. These rivers carry nutrients and sediments into the North Sea. This influences the water's properties and supports a productive ecosystem. The North Sea is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Its strategic location makes it a hub for international trade. Major ports, including Rotterdam, Antwerp, Hamburg, and London, line its coasts. These ports handle massive volumes of cargo, including containers, oil, and bulk goods. The North Sea's shipping routes connect the countries of Northern Europe to global markets. The North Sea has historically been a rich fishing ground. Its waters are home to a diverse array of fish species. This has supported significant fishing industries in countries like Norway, Denmark, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. Cod, haddock, plaice, and mackerel are among the commercially important species. The North Sea's fishing grounds have been exploited for centuries. This has led to concerns about overfishing and its impact on fish stocks. Sustainable fishing practices such as quotas and gear restrictions have been implemented to manage fish populations. The aim is to ensure the long-term health of the North Sea's fisheries. Section 4. Historical significance. Vikings and beyond. The North Sea has played a pivotal role in shaping the history of Europe. Its waters were once navigated by Viking longships. These fierce warriors raided and traded across the North Sea. They established settlements in Britain, Ireland, and mainland Europe. The North Sea served as a highway for Viking expansion and cultural exchange. The North Sea has been the stage for numerous naval battles and conflicts. During the Age of Sail, maritime powers like Britain and the Netherlands vied for control of the North Sea. Its strategic importance made it a focal point of naval warfare. The Battle of Jutland in 1916, a major naval engagement of World War I, was fought in the North Sea. The discovery of oil and gas reserves in the North Sea in the mid-20th century transformed the region's economy. Offshore drilling platforms were constructed. Pipelines were laid to transport the extracted resources to land. The North Sea became a major oil and gas producing region. This brought economic prosperity, but also environmental concerns. Section 5. The North Sea's dynamic ecosystem, currents, and marine life. The North Sea is influenced by a complex system of currents. The warm North Atlantic Current, an extension of the Gulf Stream, flows into the North Sea from the southwest. This brings warmer, saltier water. The colder, less saline Baltic Current enters from the east. The interaction of these currents creates a dynamic environment. The mixing of currents and the inflow of nutrients from rivers make the North Sea a highly productive ecosystem. It supports a diverse array of marine life, including fish, seabirds, marine mammals, and invertebrates. The North Sea's shallow waters allow sunlight to penetrate to the seabed. This supports the growth of phytoplankton and algae, which form the base of the food chain. The North Sea is an important habitat for various species of seabirds. These birds rely on the sea for food and nesting grounds. Species like gannets, puffins, and kittiwakes congregate in large colonies on cliffs and islands along the North Sea's coasts. These seabird populations are indicators of the health of the marine ecosystem. Section 6. Environmental challenges and conservation efforts. The North Sea faces a range of environmental challenges. Pollution from industrial activities, shipping, and agriculture poses a threat to marine life and water quality. Overfishing has depleted some fish stocks. Climate change is leading to rising sea levels and changes in water temperature, which can disrupt marine ecosystems. Conservation efforts are underway to address these challenges. International agreements and regulations aim to reduce pollution and manage fishing activities sustainably. Marine protected areas have been established to safeguard important habitats. Efforts are also being made to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The North Sea's health is crucial for the well-being of the millions of people who live along its coasts. Its rich resources and ecological importance make it essential to protect this valuable marine environment for future generations. Continued research, monitoring, and international cooperation are essential to ensure the long-term health and sustainability of the North Sea.